What is that one meal that your spouse can never say no to, no matter the time and the day that you prepare that meal, he is ever ready to take it. Now, join me as I prepare this amazing fried rice for my odogu. Yes, you heard me well. Though this was unplanned, but I said I still have to make something out of it. Even fuming it was still not unplanned. But on second thought, I say everything is content. So this is me cutting the onion, cutting. Yes, I have to season my meat. Any seasoning you can lay your hand on. Then after doing the turning, mixing everything to be okay, I will take it to the fire. So it will start boiling while my meat is already on fire. I have to wash the vegetables, wash it thoroughly. Especially this spring onion, wash it very well. This one I have to scrape, like remove everything and make sure that it is thoroughly washed, as you can see here. So this is me cutting the vegetables. Actually did it outside the camera, no need of showing it. Okay, so I cut everything here. I'm checking my meat how far, and this is the water it generated for me. So from here, I'm adding another water. So I'm mixing this thing to start cooking my rice. Any spices you can lay your hand. So this yellow color is turmeric. Yes, I've mixed everything. You test it and make sure that everything is rhyming together. Turning. The water have gone down. Please pardon this my hand. I am still cutting the vegetables. So it's time to start mixing up the vegetable, adding my green beans, onion, oil, fats, all the addings. We are trying to spice up the vegetables. Yeah. One thing I noticed about this spring onions is that it brings out one green. I don't know if another person have noticed it. It brings out one greenish color. Like once it's in rhyme with this turmeric, you will see, like you'll be seeing, you're not seeing yellow, you're not seeing green. It will just be perfect. I mean, perfect color. So I used canned beans. This is actually my first time of using it, but I think it's still okay because, like, after the mixing of everything, it was very soft. In fact, very amazing, very amazing. Hey, you guys should rate me down on the comment section. What do you think about this my rice? But anyways, my odogu have rated me. Oh, he said, Madam, this woman can cook. This woman can cook. If you know that meal that your husband doesn't joke with, I beg they put am for table for am. Oh. I don't say no be only belle we go use only man, but at the same time, at least for that side, maybe they do our best. As at the time that I prepared this meal, 11:12 a.m. So after doing all the mixing, I have to get my container though. This one I did it outside the camera and take it straight to the fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.